equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your TM31 to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the TM31. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back panel away from the unit. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the clips holding it in place. With the back panel removed, take a moment to clean the internal components with your soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, affecting the performance of your appliance. A clean environment is crucial for optimal functionality. Now, let's focus on the panel replacement. Take your new TM31 panel and align it with the connectors inside the unit. Ensure that all connections are secure. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Once the new panel is in place, gently push the back panel back onto the unit, ensuring it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. After securing the back panel, it's time to test your TM31. Plug it back in and turn it on. Check that the new panel is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We are here to help you troubleshoot any problems you might face. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the TM31 panel. Remember, if you need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our no calls, no travel service, you can have peace of mind knowing that help is just a call away without the hassle of leaving your home. In summary, changing the TM31 panel is a straightforward process that can enhance the performance of your appliance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. However, if you prefer professional help, we are just a message away. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.